second time around, for the second time around ng Sangkay. Narating ulit natin yung Kibiyang family. Tuloy mo lang yung video sa amin.
Okay. Ma'am, tingin ka, ma'am. Hindi po kayo. Ma'am, tingin po kayo yan.